content the old way in 2026, you are working harder than you need to. Today, a single creator with the right AI tools can write scripts in minutes, generate professional voiceovers, create studio-level thumbnails, edit videos automatically, even automate their entire workflow. And the best part is most of these tools have powerful free versions. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, where we simplify technology and help you stay ahead. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 free AI tools every creator should be using in 2026 with real examples so you can start immediately. Tool 5 is ElevenLabs. If you create tutorials, explainers, reels or faceless content, voice quality matters. Here comes ElevenLabs. So let's try it. Here's the text-to-speech dashboard. Let me type "Welcome to Get Assist" where we make technology easy to understand. Now I'll click on Generate. The audio is playing.
Welcome to Get Assist, where we make technology easy to understand.
Notice how natural the tone sounds, the pauses, the emphasis, it doesn't feel robotic. Now what makes this powerful? You can clone your own voice, choose from professional voice libraries, adjust stability and clarity, generate multilingual voiceovers. Now let's switch some voices. Search for professional female narrator. Generate again.
Welcome to Get Assist, where we make technology easy to understand.
Completely different tone. More documentary style. Now go to sound effects generator. Type modern tech intro swoosh. Generate. It gives me 4 variations instantly. Instead of searching stock websites, you can create custom effects on demand. For tech channels like Get Assist, this makes content sound polished without a studio. Tool 4, Riverside. Riverside is essentially a full podcast and video studio in your browser. Perfect for interviews, webinars, tutorials, recordings, podcast style content. Now let's try it. Let's open our recorded video. First feature is remove filler words. Click on it. It automatically detects and removes long pauses and awkward gaps. That alone saves hours of editing. Now go to Magic Clips. This analyzes your full recording and automatically creates short social clips. Ideal for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, LinkedIn. You can also change the words in subtitle. Just highlight a mistake in the transcript and change the word. No reshoot required. Finally, you can export it. Now coming to the next tool, Adobe Firefly. In 2026, attention means visuals. Let's generate a thumbnail background through this tool. I am giving it a prompt. Modern AI, workspace, clean, futuristic, soft lighting, ultra realistic. It has generated a background. Now we can enhance it. Now I am uploading channel's logo, my image and a reference background. Now it integrates branding. Let's refine it in Photoshop Web. Use generative remove, select unwanted object, click remove. Now use generative expand, drag canvas outwards. Now generate fill. It extends the image seamlessly. Now let's add thumbnail text. I am using generative fill. Best AI tools of 2026 in bold modern font. Now you have a nice thumbnail ready. Instead of outsourcing design, you can build professional visuals quickly. Now coming to the next tool, Kimi AI. This is where things get professional. Kimi AI allows text to slides, ready to submit presentations, unlimited presentation edits. Now let's try Kimi AI to build submission ready presentation. Prompt I am giving is give me a ready to submit presentation on this topic, future trends in AI technology. It's generating. This will take some time and this is the end result. Completely professional, modern looking visuals and fonts, data driven insights. And the best part is you can even edit it according to your needs. Just click the text you want to edit, upload your image or brand logo and that's it. This is the magic of Kimi AI. Next time you are on the clock of submitting your major project presentation, give Kimi a shot. Here's one more tip. You can also create social media carousels using Kimi AI the same way. Now coming to tool number 1, ChatGPT. Honestly, this is the backbone of most creators' workflow. You can use it for script writing, video ideas, blog outlines, SEO descriptions, research summaries, content calendars, etc. Let's just quickly try it. Let's ask, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners in 2026. It gave me some instant ideas. Now write a 60-second intro script for video number 3. And yeah, it's done. It's so simple. Instead of starting at a blank screen, you can start with structure. It doesn't replace creativity, it accelerates it. Let's quickly have a recap. ElevenLabs for professional voice and sounds. Riverside for smart recording and editing. Firefly for thumbnails and design. Kimi AI for AI presentations and coding. ChatGPT is for ideas, scripts and strategy. Now you definitely don't need a team. You need the right tools. Start with one or two. Build your workflow gradually. Let AI handle repetitive tasks so you can focus on creativity. If this video helps you, make sure to like the video. Subscribe to get assist for more tech breakdowns and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll meet you in the next video.